Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this interesting equation solved simultaneously by elimination. So we have 5x minus y is equal to 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 10. So we are going to look at which of the two variables to eliminate first. So if we look at this, you see that y is the one that can be easily eliminated, and we can do that by adding the two equations. So just add the two. We have 5x plus 2x, that is 7x, minus y plus y is equal to 0, and 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. So we just divide both sides by 7, and we get that x is equal to 2. So we have eliminated y and we have solved for x. So now we can eliminate x to solve for y. So to eliminate x, we try adding the 2, we get 7. We try subtracting, we get 3. So it means we can rearrange or change the orientation of these two equations. We can multiply the first one by the coefficient of x in the second one, and multiply the second one by the coefficient of x in the first one. So if we have 5x minus y is equal to 4, and we also have 2x plus y is equal to 10, we just multiply the first one by the coefficient of x in the second equation, that is 2, and we do the same for the second equation. So when we do that, we're going to get 10x minus 2y is equal to 8. And then here we're going to have 10x plus 5y is equal to 50. So now we can eliminate x by subtracting. Just subtract the two equations. So 10x minus 10x is 0, minus 2y minus 5y is minus 7y. And then 8 minus 50 is minus 42. So again, we just divide both sides by negative 7, and we get that y is equal to positive 6. So we have that x is 2 and y is 6. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.